not entirely sure yet.
The seagull coming.
No.
It's not a toilet. No way. That is well clean.
Yeah, they're like the old toilets, I'm sure. It's really freaky.
There's a big deep bit there.
Where's all the water from? Just the seagull coming.
I'm not sure.
I don't know what goes on that. Nothing in there.
So you can go down that way and go that way. It's really, really long.
One thing there's the way back.
It's quite overwhelming. It can be quite. Just be careful. You don't stand like in the deep bit.
So much is how that bloody good.
Go this way. Oh. It's very easy. Just think, those are like where the people would sit during the war.
Is this what this was?
Yeah. I think it's the longest one in Scotland himself. I'm surprised it's still open. But it's so sad. Like, think of all the people that have to sit along the seats. Just watch your feet though.
Are you gonna remember where?
There's another entrance, but
No, there's loads of solid in
yeah, it's been. Look at those shovel. How cool is that? I actually seen pictures of machinery in here as well, but I've never. Another shovel.
Cliff is looking at. Ah, let's see. Any spirits in here? Make it go to the red. Any spirits here? Anyone?
What's up? Oh. I just watch your footing, guys. The old tenant lager. Wow.
Turn it round, there should be a model in the bucket maybe. A woman.
A woman? Oh my God.
Cliff, I might save this torch and walk with you.
Karen. Wow.
Aye, that.
That's crazy. Wonder how long that's been in here.
Yeah.
Wonder how long that's been in here. Like even the ring pull on it's different. The shovels.
I'm going to save this torch because I don't need it if we used to.
Yeah, yeah.
I do like the old shovels. The old shovels are well cool. You don't get shovels like that now.
No, I wonder what they were used for.
One of the dates on it, a date.
Don't think you'll see a date on that. Yeah, I think it's fine. You'll sell it. I'll keep it on that. I think you've got to try it. Any spirits here? Any spirits in here? It's in the water. Anyone here? Not yet.
That's where the light bulb would have hung.
Wow.
I know. There's another entrance down there, but I'm not sure where that goes. It freaks me out. Do you want to stand there and I'll see?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It just keeps going on again. You want to go this way? I think it's a dead end, but I'm not sure. It's like an old table. Just be careful, it's slippy. Oh, look at the old table. Wow. The workbenches. It's an actual workbench. No football. No, no
Oh.
football.
That was to keep the kids entertained, don't it? You were stuck down here.
That, oh, watch a spider. You can't go that way, it's all caved in. Oh my God.
Go back this way.
Yeah.
Go the way that you said that we used.
Just going to get my phone out. Can't go over that wee ball for the kids.
Huh?
Ball for the kids. Can you actually imagine being in here though and hearing all the bombs and everything going off? How
Well, it would have been
terrifying.
scary because you wouldn't have known if it were going to cave in or not.
How terrifying.
Yeah, I've not got any signal in, have I?
Nah, you'll not get signal under here.
You know, some people buy them now and make them into a seat.
Wow. So those were like the bathroom doors.
I'm going to say, what are they?
Mm-hmm. Hmm?
These tunnels, you end up coming out at some point, or is it just the tunnel?
I'm not entirely sure. Oh wow, that one goes uphill. I've never seen that before. Look at the wheel. The old wheel.
Wow. I would be all shocked.
Mm-hmm, the shovels.
Not getting made like that these days.
I like how people have set them out. Tins.
What do you call it, like? What do you call it?
Polystyrene.
Polystyrene.
People have been in here.
There's been people coming here because you can tell there's been candles lit there.
Yeah. Oh, the doors are amazing. Wow.
Wow, look at that.
They are amazing, they doors.
Generate power.
Oh yeah.
I never ever seen machinery in here. Oh, my head. And that's just the way out, so what I would do is I'd go back and go the other way.
Yeah, we'll go the other way first. But at least we know there's a way out if we got stuck.
Wow.
That's how they had the privacy time, that one then.
That was all they had, eh?
Sad, isn't it, when you think? Especially if you wanted to poo, I mean, how embarrassing. I was thinking things like that.
Being a poo beside each other.
But there again, I suppose you'd be glad to be alive, innit? So you won't think.
No, you wouldn't care, would you?
No. I think gone are the days where you'd be bobbing around decency or whatever, you just want things like that.
Wow.
Well,
It's like an old little cart. It's a cart. Ladders as well. Some ladders.
yeah, that's what it's like.
Oh wow.
This is where they have showers, isn't it? Or the toilets.
Yeah, toilets again, I think. I'm surprised the curtains are still.
Toilet.
Oh my god.
Is that an actual toilet in there?
Aye.
So there you go. Oh wow. At least the curtains are still up on that one.
Yeah. Any spirits here? That's communicate, let us know you're here.
Is it still going on? Is it dead end?
I think what it is, I think most of it's caving in now, isn't it?
Oh yeah. That's a shame.
Yeah.
Oh.
Caved in. Supposed to put in.
It's a shame.
It's a
It's a
shame, innit?
shame.
Yeah. I think it's going to get to the point where that's it'll just all cave in, won't it?
Yeah, as the metal starts to.
And also because there's water getting in, then it'll make it less secure. But like this belongs to Lidl, like you'd think that they'd do something with it, wouldn't you?
Oh, I don't know where that bit is. Ooh. I don't know where it stands. How far can I stand here?
How far can she stand there? You said it was dangerous.
Just as far as you step.
Can you help me?
I held on to the side and just sort of.
It's just I don't know how far.
Wait a minute.
Well, I went side on there.
Right,
it's
yeah,
after-
that's one of you.
Right, okay, ready?
I went on that. And then
Oh gosh, thank you. Aye. It's just I couldn't judge it.
Oh no, he just went in and said to me, watch the holes, so I didn't know where it was, so I just got off to the side, I thought, okay.
Wow. I don't know what's with all those old tyres.
Just these steps we came down to the next,
Oh, they'll be full picture, look.
they look cool.
Yeah.
Definitely, look.